The following is an explanation of the definition of ductility and brittleness. Ductility indicates the resistance to fracture when a sudden force is applied. It may be understood as the energy that a material absorbs before it breaks. On the contrary, the brittleness indicates how a material is easily broken by impact. Brittleness is the opposite property of ductility. In a design of machine parts, materials are designed to be in the elastic region in the environment of its operation to ensure the product function. This means that strength and rigidity need to be taken into account when designing a machine part. At the same time, such structures are exposed to the risk of failure due to unexpected impacts. For example, when a quenched material is hardened, it also becomes brittle. To deal with such cases, ductility also should be considered. The ductility is the energy that a material absorbs before it fails. Let's consider about this with respect to a stress-strain diagram. The diagram shows examples of stress-strain diagrams of three materials. Two materials of lower ductility and a typical ductile material. A material of higher strength and brittleness is not ductile. In addition, a soft material that has larger elongation at the small force is also not recognized as ductile if the material absorbs small amount of energy. You should note here that a soft material is not a ductile material. Ductility defines a material's ability to withstand large impact forces without breaking. A material of higher ductility has both strength and plastic deformation range. Rigidity, strength, and hardness are properties to evaluate resistance against forces that are gradually applied to materials. On the other hand, ductility aims to evaluate the material ability to resist external impact without breaking. Here, you should note that strength, hardness, and ductility are deeply interrelated. So, it may be important to understand the mechanical properties are defined for convenience in practical works of machine design rather than physical strictness.